Bonjour étudiants. In this video, we will do French negations part 2. We will do negations with articles. In previous video, we learned how to do the basic negation. So let's recall it quickly. We do negation using two things, that is ne and pas. We use ne before the verb and pas after the verb. Now in a sentence, there can be more than one verb. To deal with such sentences, we always need to take the first verb into consideration. Let's have a look at few examples. Je ne veux pas aller à l'école. Here there are two verbs, that is vous and aller. So we will use ne and pas with the first verb. In second sentence, il n'aime pas le thé. I have used an apostrophe. Why? Because my verb here starts with a vowel, that is a. In third sentence, nous ne sommes pas contents. I have used an e because the verb starts with a consonant. That's all about it. Now let's move forward and see French negations with articles. There are different types of articles in French, but our area of concern will only be with indefinite articles and partitive articles. Indefinite articles means a or an, and partitive articles means some. To know these articles and their usage in detail, I will suggest you all to check out my other videos for that. So now let's move forward and see how articles play a very important role in negation. Whenever we have to use partitive or indefinite article in a sentence, we will change it to de or the apostrophe. That means a, un, de and du, dala, de, dala changes to de or the apostrophe in negative sentences or in negation. But as we know, French is famous for exception, and we have one exception here as well. This rule of changing the articles to de or the apostrophe in negation does not apply with être verb. That means whenever we will have être verb in a sentence and we have to do the negation, there will be no change in the article. We will do the simple negation as we have learned, and there will no special rule that will apply to that particular sentence. I know, it was quite too much to comprehend at once. To understand this concept more clearly, we will be taking few examples now. The first one is il y a cahier. Now here we can see that the article we have is a, which is an indefinite article that we call article indéfini. Article indéfini. And also the verb that we have is avoir. It's not an être verb. That means we will change our article indéfini to de or the apostrophe. So here we have changed it to de because our word, the next word starts with a consonant. Our answer will be il n'est pas de cahier. The second example that we have is elle mange de la viande. Now the article that we have here is partitive article, that is article partitif. Now let's see whether we will change it or not. The verb that we have is manger. So yes, we will change it to de or the apostrophe. Our answer is elle ne mange pas de viande. we have used DE instead of Dala. Now guys, always remember to use NERPA in negation, because without NERPA there is no negation. These are some extra rules that we are doing. Third sentence that we have is Ce sont des étudiants. Now pay attention guys, we do have an article, but look at the verb. It's an être verb. That means there will be no change in the article. It will be as it is. The answer will be Ce ne sont pas des étudiants. The next example that we have is C'est de la soupe. We can see article partitif here, but we can also see the être verb, that is a, which means there will be no change in the article partitif, and our answer will be Ce n'est pas de la soupe. Let's take the last example. Elle a des règles. Now we can see they. Now in this sentence, please focus that the article, that is they, can either be treated as a partitif article or an indefinite article. The verb in this sentence is avoir, and therefore the article that is there will change to DE or D apostrophe. So our answer will be Il n'est pas des règles. This is how we treat articles in French negation. Please note that it is only the indefinite and partitive article to which changes are done. Rest all other articles remains the same. Now let's practice a short exercise to check your understanding on this topic. Now, I would like you all to please pause the video and try attempting these questions. The answers have been shared by the end of the video. Here are the answers, and let me know in the comment section below how many you got correct. If you have any doubts, just drop a comment below. This was all for this video. Au revoir.